Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today I'll show you how to check your sensor signal strength and a few ways to improve it if needed. To view a sensor signal strength, go to the list view and navigate to the hardware view. Click and find the sensor that you're interested in. You will see the current signal strength displayed. If you click on the gear icon and then select Diagnostics, you'll be able to see past signal strength and battery level. We typically see sensors lose connection with their gateway when signal strength drops to around -80 dBm or lower. If you're getting repeated offline alerts, here are a few tips. Move the sensor outside of coolers and freezers and run the temperature probe inside. You can move the gateway to a more central location, or you can consider adding an extra gateway for better coverage within your facility. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us at swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.